Under the Same Sky, From Italy to Lebanon is a joint collaboration between Italian artist duo Antonello Ghezzi and Lebanese artist Ralph Hage, curated by myself, Maie El-Hage. The project is hosted at Deir el Qamar, Lebanese University Faculty of Fine Arts and Architecture 4th Branch, and with the support of the Italian Institute of Culture based in Beirut. Antonello Ghezzi Artist Duo is composed of Paolo Ghezzi and Nadia Antonella, who are based in Bologna, Italy. We are all under the same sky, same in Italy, same in Lebanon, says Antonello Ghezzi Artist Duo. Their project, The Flag of the Milky Way, depicts the Milky Way galaxy. We all belong to the same galaxy, and so this flag is a flag of all of us. I am with you, I have always been with you, don't be afraid, is a love message from Italy to Lebanon. Nature is a Forest of Symbols is an art project by artist Ralph Hage. 7 digital paintings are printed on canvases and stretched between the trees here in Deir el Qamar. Underlying the force of her mind are the same processes that govern the natural environment, and the artist reuses imagery from nature in combination with text. The paintings, as they are stretched between the trees, invite a promenade in the garden. The flags in the exhibition here came from Bologna, and the canvases stretched between the trees were created here in Lebanon. In this courtyard, we can reflect, we can walk, we can enjoy, and we can be under the same sky that is both in Italy and in Lebanon and in the whole world. This is our lived and shared experience. Under the Same Sky, From Italy to Lebanon. The artists Paolo Ghezzi, Nadia Antonello, and Ralph Hage, and myself, the curator Maie El-Hage, would like to thank the Italian Institute of Culture for sponsoring this project, specifically Dr. Monica Zacca. I would like to also thank the Lebanese University Deir el Qamar branch, Faculty of Fine Arts and Architecture Branch 4, and Dr. May Karame for their support. I would also like to thank everybody who contributed to the success of this project, including photographer Rayan Haj for photography and videography, and video editing and audio work by Bassem Daw. Under the Same Sky will remain installed here in Deir el Qamar for the remainder of the month of November. We invite you to come and visit if you can. Otherwise, we are going to post all of the recordings, video and photography online for you to see and experience this project. Thank you very much.